Another magnificent view of Pikes Peak in the background, the snow-capped mountain, and I'm gonna show you some of the Garden of the Gods right here. So check this out. There's some construction going on down here, but so we were actually right there. That's 1, 2, 3. Then they have the kissing camels right there, 4, and then they have more that way, which we're gonna drive soon. But check this out, panoramic view, and then the mountain here is Pikes Peak. Garden of the Gods for you. So we're just doing Garden of the Gods, some of the loops, as you can see in the background. These are some of the Garden of the Gods natural rock, natural phenomena, and we're just doing this small loop, and it's pretty pretty empty actually. So I just want to show you that. Look at the mountains right there. It's one of them. There's more on that side right there. Let me show you once I cross these. There's a little trail there. And those that's 1, that's 2, 3, and then that's 4. That's 4 of the 13 they have here at the Jardin des Deux. And this is the Rocky Mountain on this side. I've never seen wildlife up close, this close. And they're just super gentle, they're not doing anything. That is so cute. Yeah, look at, there's one more here. Nature up close. They're basically chilling right there. So if you look closely up in the top, right there is a guy right there. So if you're a rock climber and if you have all the right gears, and you can actually see more people climbing there, you can do rock climbing. And there are a bunch of people up there on that. They're going zigzag, and then you can see a lot of people up there. So it's a very good spot if you want to hike or go on mountain climbs and see some nature up close. So if you're here in the Colorado area, some of the non-touristy places, I mean this is touristy but not one of those Aspens or skiing resorts, so do check this out if you're in Colorado. Manitou Springs and Garden of the Gods. Take care.